So I wanted to share this amazing find. I found these super cute labels on Amazon. I will post a link. They are custom made and they just came in the mail. So I went to find my rivet attacher, and you know they take a lot of force to put those on. You kind of have to be strong. And I sat and looked at it for a second and I said, wait, I don't need a rivet attacher. I went ahead and customized mine. I can't remember what color I got. I did my initials, and then on the inside I put by Belle. So what you're gonna do, let's see, this is actually the first time I've done this one. So let me see. You're gonna want one end, that is a screw. And then the other end is actually the rivet. So you're gonna put that in. Let's see if I can do this. Oh wait, you know what? I bet I do it this way. Yeah, use the small end. See, we're learning together. So then I'm gonna decide, do I want my initials or do I want the by Belle? So the by Belle is gonna be on the inside. Then we'll figure out where we want it. And this is the fun part. They can be taken off when you wash it, or say your child just doesn't like the label on it. But it is super cool because when you give it as a gift to your friends, it's on there, look. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'll make sure and put the links in the show notes for you to get these super cute labels, and they do come in many, many colors. You don't need this, so we won't put a link for that, but you might want a small screwdriver. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. Happy crocheting, everyone.